Hi boys and girls, we're going to read a book called 10 Little Fish today. And then we're going to write the numbers 1 through 10 and represent those numbers by drawing some objects. First, let's read. Here we go. Yellow fish, blue fish. We count 2 fish. 1, 2. 3 fish. 1, 2, 3. 4 fish. 1, 2, 3, 4. We see more fish. Swim and dive fish. Here are 5 fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Short fish, long fish. 6 swim along fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember, if we count them in a different direction, it's still the same number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fish above, fish below. 7 fish, fast and slow. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wiggly fish. Straight fish. We count 8 fish. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or count a different way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Spotted fish, striped fish. 9 fish, swim and swish. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. Big fish, small fish. 10 in all fish. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at that guy. He's ready to eat all the rest. Let's count one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. Very good, boys and girls. Now we are going to write the numbers 1 to 10, and we are going to draw objects to represent each number. So, as you see here on my drawing, I have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so boys and girls, if you would like to grab a piece of paper and a pencil or a crayon or a marker, and you can pause the video, and then we'll begin together. All right, so once again, I wrote all the numbers, and you can pause anytime while you need to catch up. I wrote all the numbers here. You can write them any way that you would like on your paper. Kind of makes it easier to write them this way so you have enough space underneath to draw the objects. So write 1 through 10, and you can pause the video to go ahead and write those. Okay, after you wrote the numbers, underneath I would like you to go ahead and draw an object or objects to represent that number. So 1 would obviously have 1, right? So I did 1 circle. You could do a circle, you could do a star, you could do a cookie, you could do a moon, whatever you want to draw. And then 2, go ahead and represent it with 2. And so on. 3, 1, 2, 3. There I did rectangles, and you can do any drawing that you would like. You can do 8 smiley faces, you could do 5 chocolate chip cookies, you could do 6 pieces of pizza. But go ahead and draw these out and write them out, and then take a picture and upload it, and that is your assignment for today. Thank you for reading with me, and thank you for doing your math.